Think the train in your town was built the same as abroad? Think again. In one corner, foreign factories use giant CNC lines, modular kits pre-assembled off-site for fast assembly. Robots tack frames precisely on high-speed lines. Pre-assembled pods roll out ready for final fit. Testing is automated for speed and consistency. In India, craftsmanship meets scale in giant steel workshops. Skilled welders join panels with expert hands. Electricians wire systems, tune controls, and test circuits. Growing automation boosts consistency across production lines. Abroad, design cycles favor quick iterations and lightweight materials. India focuses on rugged designs and cost efficiency, and local supply chains keep parts affordable. Result: both deliver reliable locomotives and coaches, but with different strengths, precision and speed versus durability and value. Two approaches, same destination, better trains for everyone.